Hello viewers, this is Doug Mountain and I welcome you to my channel. If it's your first time you're visiting, make sure that you happen to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell and don't forget to hit the like button after you've watched this video. So in this video, I'll actually be talking about a survey site where you are likely to earn about $50 up to $200 depending on the nature of the survey that you happen to participate in. Well, that may sound to be too good to be true, but hey, it's actually real. So now what you need to do is to make sure that you create a very powerful profile that will actually stand out. I guarantee you that if you manage to do that, you will be able to land yourself some service that will earn you major big time money. If you are that one person who's so lazy to do that, then you don't need to do this. I would rather you go by these other apps that I've mentioned of on the channel where you don't need to do anything. So how does this one work? When you fill out that profile and it happens to be one which is standing out, you will be more like applying for a job. There'll be so many surveys that will be coming, that will be popping up on this site. All you need to do is you click them and you'll be more like applying for acceptance so that you happen to participate in those. Now, they'll actually be looking at your profile. The better your profile is, the higher the chances of you landing yourself those services that will earn you big time. Okay, and you will participate in them. By the end of the day, you earn big time. So now let me show you how you have to create the profile. I'll actually walk you through this step by step, little by little, showing you all the details that you need to know. So let's take a ride. Let's get into this site. When you get on the page of the same site, this is what you're gonna say. So the best thing that you can ever do is to either make use of the profile that you've created on Facebook or the one that you created on LinkedIn, because that one showcases what you are specialized in. Unless you didn't create it in such a way that you punch in all the details about you. Now, you might be wondering how you will actually get here. Well, I will leave the link in the description section because that's the one that you need to click and then you will get to this site. So the name of the site is Respondent. Very important. So here you need to punch in your real name, and then punch in the email address here, and you need to check in here which says I agree to respondents' terms and conditions. So what I'll do here is I will go with LinkedIn's profile, and that's what I've actually clicked. All right, so after clicking LinkedIn or Facebook, obviously you'll be prompted to log in with the credentials that you normally use whenever you want to log on to LinkedIn or to Facebook. So this is what you're gonna say, and then what you need to do is you hit sign in. So here they'll send the code to your phone number, or even your WhatsApp for you to just confirm it's you just who's trying to log on to LinkedIn. So let me punch in the code. That's 461626, and I'm gonna submit this. Okay, so when you're done with that part, this is what to follow. You'll be prompted to allow, because they'll say respondent would like to use the primary email address associated with your LinkedIn account. Use your name and photo. So you simply hit allow. By so doing, you're authorizing respondent to make use of the details of your profile on LinkedIn. All right, so after you've set up your account, you've punched in all the details, you've submitted the PayPal account's details. This is what you're gonna say. Hey there, respondent is a place to earn money by sharing your insights with the world's leading companies. Let's get you started with a quick tour of respondent to set you up. So you can hit start tour. And you're gonna see all these. So here's the thing. They're saying receive projects curated to your interests. Select 3 topics to get started. We'll start curating your project list based on your selections. So you can actually hit social media. Now you need to select these depending on your specialty. Then we have education, information technology, and I can also bring in science. Okay, so it's just the 3 topics here, right? 3 topics: computers and electronics, information technology. Okay, let me select the third as computers and electronics, and then I'm gonna hit add topics, and boom, here we are. So now they're saying upload a profile photo, add LinkedIn, add personal video introduction, update employment information, and check out. You can earn $155, and then content creators can actually earn $200. Productivity enthusiasts wanted to shape the future of second brain tools. Tell us about where you live. All this, you see, there is so much money that you can earn from this site. All you have to do is take your time to fill in the details. Okay, then you can as well invite people, and by inviting people to this site so that they sign up, and they begin, just for signing up, you happen to earn $19? $19. So this is not a site to mess around with. It will actually make you rich, like big time. So if I want to invite people, I need to click referrals, and then click here where it reads share link, and post it wherever I want people to find it so that they are able to click it. And then they join. As simple as this. Let's get cracking. Make sure that you hit the link in the description section and you set up your account. you start earning real fast. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share the video with as many people as you can.